at my turn. We're playing with my friend Nick. Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
So, we were planning this. Vegetable and Flame are gonna do a date. Look how cute they are together.
Yep.
They're even kissing right now, bro.
Man, that we've taken it to you. Guys, look at this. Man, well, pets grow up fast. Oh, I can't really look at this. Well, to the banana car.
No. First, remember. First, you eat here.
They eat here.
First, they eat here. Oh. Unicorn is. Oh.
Unicorn. Vegetable. Okay, now it's you get the gun.
Vegetable loves eating in the floor.
Dragon does. Look. Oh my god. He even flew out of the chair.
Here, vegetable. He loves.
Dragon is waiting for her. Okay. He looks so cute. Look! Sia.
Yeah.
Look. Flame's wings is like flapping vegetable tail. Look.
Oh, you're hungry right in time. I just got pizza for you.
Wait, do you have any vegetables here?
That's a good idea. I don't know. Pets. I'm just gonna waste money for a set.
We all know what happens when vegetable doesn't get her vegetables.
Run!
They get angry! Well, vegetable, wait, you went out of my family.
Oh, right, you left the game and came back in the game. Okay. So...
I'm gonna control vegetable. Good girl.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna stop editing.
Wait, what? Oh no.
I'm gonna pick up your
My
dragon.
dragon is snuggling me, and the unicorn is snuggling me. Double hit. I
Okay,
have the unicorn and you have the
guys, come on. Okay, so now, cause yeah, we're in the fire me. I'm gonna knock
Let's go to school. You guys need to go to school.
Yeah, and do their privacies.
Yes. Now let's go to school. Banana car.
Banana car is luxury.
Legendary banana car. Legendary banana car. Legendary banana car. Oh no. I can't go. I fell. See, I fell.
Okay, I wait for you.
That would happen if you don't sit in the banana car. Oh god. Okay. Oh my goodness, you're running over that.
But it's a date, Nico, so they should eat. They should eat somewhere really romantic, right?
But, the problem is,
Come on, let's go.
let's wait until
No, Nico. Nico, come on, let's go. They need to eat. They want to have their pizza. Vegetable. You know how vegetable eats her pizza? It's she likes her pizza like this. Like that. And your dragon, I think he likes you with this. That pepperoni, salt. This is for your dragon.
My dragon is snuggled. Okay.
What happened? Okay, come on, vegetable. I'm gonna give you more pizza because you're my vegetable. OMG.
Vegetables?
Vegetables. Vegetables. Yes, vegetables. Here,
You put some
vegetables.
sauce on it, it just looks like poop. Put some sauce on it, girl. It just looks like poop.
Okay, fine then.
Put some sauce on it.
Okay, that's how she likes it.
Yes, we all need some sleep.
Okay, let's go, vegetable.
Let's go to sleep.
Okay.
This is great for great, baby dragon going to sleep with much sleep. This day with vegetable flame. Oh my goodness, not letting you sit.
Let me pick up vegetable. Okay. Let's go to my house.
Put in ABC if you want to watch it. Yeah.
I'm faster because I'm in a computer.
No bear.
Okay.
ABC.
Look, Nico.
Sia was the first. Sia was the first. Right, Sia?
Yes, I was the first one. Come on, get out. Poor Flame. You just left him there.
Okay, who was the first one?
My. I'm gonna get 2 of these. That's why I put unicorn first.
Okay. Or
Okay.
Seaway.
Okay, now I put dragon to sleep.
She's thirsty. Wait, let me give her some water. Oh, a hot cocoa. Oh my goodness, this guy wants pizza. Wait, I didn't pizza. Sia, you saw that?
OMG, yeah, I saw that. Huh, they...
The pizza. Wait, where the pizza is. Sia,
Yeah?
I'm almost to the golden headphones.
Golden headphone?
Yep.
Oh, that. Oh, that's... Oh, okay, so... Okay, now I'm just... Look what I got for... Guys, look what I got for you, guys. So you see there's just one, right?
Yeah.
The dragon needs to sleep with vegetable, right?
Yeah.
Look what I got for the dragon.
Yes. So, dragon is blue, unicorn is pink. Oh, look, they're looking at each other.
Oh, wait, he likes red, right?
The pink, red, yay.
No, really, they're
Now-
looking at each
Now
other.
dragon needs to take a shot.
Okay, guys, okay, Nico.
Yeah?
Okay, this is gonna be the best part when your dragon takes, you know, a wash. This is gonna be the best part of the date. Go to the party place, Nico. Drop your pet. This couple. This quality. Look.
Yes! My dragon!
Oh, gee.
Let's do the dragon. Let's cross the moon. Okay. See, you took and look, they're turning around the same time. They're dancing like at the same time.
I'm dancing on my unicorn.
And I'm dancing on my dread. It's so cute.
I know.
They're literally doing it at the same time.
Look at them. Okay, yeah, we should let him do their romance, right? Oh.
That was so cute. I can't remember.
Oh, wait. Don't worry. Look, I have more.
Yes. Please. Imagine a unicorn like it spray out rainbows and then dragon can spray out.
Orangey, and you know it says they have to go to the water party, right?
Yeah, the pool party.
Yeah, we're going there.
I was going to.
Let's go.
Yeah. I'm still dancing.
Okay. Nico, let's go. I'm just gonna put some disco balls. Come on.
Wait. Hold the pets.
Okay, wait. Oh.
Wait, what? Why are we dancing?
Come on. Let's go.
Okay, I'm dancing. You're dancing. Oh, good. Oh, good. Jiggle.
Okay, let's get a pool party. After what?
What that?
We died. Wow.
Wait, what? I'm confused.
Well, I think, Nick, I know, but like, I think we should end this video, right?
No, we should not end this video. We're going to the pool party. Whatever it takes. This is actually so funny.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna end this video. Nico teleported me, and we're gonna end this video. A vegetable died.
Wait, what? Dragon died. This is amazing.
Vegetable died.
He's still alive.
What?
Still
Okay,
alive.
teleported me, and let's end this video, Nico.
Fine. Teleportation. Secret play.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna end this video right here. Right? So bye, guys. Oh, wait. Oh, when we end this video, go like that, whatever, like that button, and subscribe, and comment down below. Did vegetable really died? Okay,